tignan nyo. Inside?
Yeah, it's actually the seat is all inside there.
Guys, nakikita ko si Papa Jesus.
Ito, chicken. Ito, what's this again? Sorry? Ang papayat naman nila. Hello guys! I'm back again with another video. At dito sa video na to, tayo ay magtutour. And yes, hindi tayo DIY this time. And fortunately, hindi talaga DIY. Dahil, kapon nung nakita niyo naman sa video ko, nag-DIY ako. And yun, medyo lagi akong nagtatagal sa mismo mga stop. Dahil ang tagal-tagal dumating ng mga Grab. Dahil hindi ko alam, parang napaka-traffic ata dito or whatsoever. And ngayon guys, magtutour tayo. And in-avail ko po ang aking tour. Hindi sa Klook. Sa KKday ko siya in-avail ngayon this time. Dahil, hindi kasi solo travel friendly yung mga available sa Klook. Meron, kaya lang island hopping. Kaya lang kasi guys, spoiler, dito sa trip ko na to, hindi kasi ako mag-island hopping. O yung parang magbe-beach something. Kasi medyo nasawa na ako po sa beach. And parang hindi ko mood at vibe ngayon yung beach. So, ngayon, nag-book ako ng tour, ang Kundasang Day Tour. Ang pupuntahan natin doon, local market, Desa Dairy Farm, Boring Hot Spring, and Canopy Walk, and Dicon Hill. So, yun yung mga pupuntahan natin. Kaya guys, I'm so excited ngayong araw dahil isa ito sa parang nare-research ko na parang malamig ang pupuntahan natin. Tignan natin kung mayroon pa tayo nakalimutan. Yun lang natin pupuntahan. And ayan tignan yung itsura. Ito yung itsura na pupuntahan natin. Kaya ngayon guys, let's go. Dahil ito meron itong hotel pick-up. At ang hotel pick-up is around 7:30 AM. So mag-gayat-gayat na tayo ng kaunti dahil it's already 7:20 AM. Let's go. Also nga pala, if ever guys, kung gusto nyong mag-book din ng activity sa Klook, if ever, yung link ilalagay ko pa rin niya sa baba. Ano lang to, parang same sila ng service. Kaya lang, kasi hindi pwede doon na, hindi pwede doon na one packs lang. So if ever, kung gusto nyo, yung link is nasa ibaba. And also, you can use my code PaulIvan5 off para magkaroon ng extra 5% of discount sa lahat ng available niya sa Klook. Mapa hotels and activities. Same activity lang din yan. And yun nga lang, dyan, kailangan 2 packs pataas. Kung hindi kayo solo travel, pwedeng dito na lang kayo mag-book. Okay? Okay guys, so ito pababa na tayo. And actually, late ng 5 minutes since sumatusan, but it's okay. Pakita ko sa inyo. Guys, nasundo ko. Hello! How many are we in the tour?
You'll be 3% in the tour. Today you'll be very luxury tour.
Because there's only few.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, few tour lang. To Korean?
Yes,
okay. Yeah, I'm from Philippines.
Right now?
Are you a tourist? Too?
Tourist,
yeah. That is my third day.
Thursday,
second day.
second day. So welcome to Kiki.
Yeah.
So you know the meaning of Kiki, Kota Kinabalu?
No, not yet.
Not yet. You want me to explain to you now?
So sir, the only places that we will go is Desa Dairy Farm, so Dicon Hill,
Yes.
and
Okay, explain to me
Hot Spring.
where we are going now, okay?
No Mount Kinabalu.
Now, Mount Kinabalu, you can take a picture of it. If you want to climb Mount Kinabalu,
No.
it's 2 days, 1 night.
I don't want. It's tiring. Hello guys, so ngayon nandito na tayo sa stop na una, which is dito sa viewing deck ng Mount Kinabalu mismo. And ngayon papakita ko sa inyo. Actually, itong Mount Kinabalu isa ito sa pinakamataas na mountain dito sa buong Southeast Asia. And hindi ko sure kung Asia, basta ilalagay ko dito yung pinakatamang facts. Tignan nyo, diba? Ayun. Taas diba? At guys, ang lamig dito Like kahit parang ang araw niya malamig. Ito yung Mount Kinabalu. And according to Kuya Eddie, right?
Yeah, my Eddie.
Yeah. He said that this is the tallest mountain in Southeast Asia.
It's 409, 5.2 meters.
Wow.
4,095.2 meters.
Do you have guests who went there? In the top of the mountain?
I have guests who went there. They need to climb. They need 2 days, 1 night.
2 days.
Yeah,
To climb. Wow. Great. So, tignan nyo. May cat. Cool. Parang may breed pa siya yun. Gusto kong iuwi, kaya lang bawal. Dito sa area na to may bilihan ng pasalubong. Ayan, may pasalubong shop, salubong store. Ayan. Nabalu. Di ba Kota Kinabalu? So ito, Nabalu. Where are we going?
We're going to the fruit markets.
Fruit market.
Because our guests here want to try the famous honey pineapple.
Honey pineapple?
Yes, it's very sweet. Hopefully I can find it.
Because I'm sleeping earlier, I don't know if you said that already. So are you guys from Seoul?
Yeah, near Seoul.
Near Seoul.
Yeah.
Because I really want to go to Korea someday.
Yeah, you should come.
Yeah. But we Filipinos, we need to apply visa.
Apply visa?
Yeah, tourist visa going to South Korea.
Oh, okay, but it's easy, right?
Yeah, it's easy actually. And that's my next target this year. But we are visa free going to Jeju Island. You know Jeju Island?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I love Jeju.
Yeah, we're visa free going there. Ayan. Tignan nyo guys, mga pasalubong area. Grabe, amoy na amoy ko na dito yung durian. Diba?
Badu, sana sana.
Parang shop nila to na mga bilihan ng mga fruits. Grabe. Sa area na to, mas maamoy yung durian kumpara nung nagpunta pa ako sa Davao. You know, tignan nyo oh. May durian. So guys, mali pala ako, hindi pala durian yung tara pala siya. Sorry, tara. I stand corrected. So ito yung mangosteen. And alam nyo ba yung mangosteen, hindi din yan obra sa loob ng mga hotel rooms. And of course, this one. Ayan, so kakain tayo ngayon ng honey pineapple at 10 Malaysian ringgit to. O diba, ang mga bumili, ang mga nasa likod ko. Tapos ako, makikikain lang ako. Let's go, tipid tips.
We call durian is the king of
Ay, ang tamis.
Yeah, I like it.
Mm. Ang tamis. Good. It's sweet. Sweet.
very sweet. That's why we call it honey pineapple.
Oh.
Yes.
Tingnan niya ah. Meron kami dito humidifier.
Yes. Because if you get too dry, you cough.
Oh.
Your throat will be dry.
Alam niyo ang pakiramdam ng pagpunta dito para kang pupunta sa Baguio. Ganon yung itsura ng daan, ganon yung itsura ng vibe. And kahit yung mismo Mount Kinabalu, ganon din yung itsura. Ayun, as you can see. Ito yung mga daan sa Baguio eh, ganyan. Pero hindi ko lang na-video yung mga zigzag part, but this one, ganyan. So ngayon, nandito na kami ngayon sa Bundutuhan, right? Bundutuhan. Ano siya, tingnan nyo, napaka-foggy dito. Ayan, as you can see. Puro yung mga clouds is nasa baba at madadaanan natin yung iba. And parang Baguio talaga yung vibe, nakakatuwa. Wow, guys, so tignan nyo, Mount Kinabalu Park. Diyan yung starting point ng climbing.
There's a kid starting.
Ayan guys, tignan nyo, binuksan ni Kuya yung yung mismong bintana at nafe-feel ko, malamig yung hangin. Tapos natural air, nasisinghot ko na yung mga clouds. Ayan. Kaya nga lang dun kasi sa side na yun yung mismong mga clouds. Kita nyo? Kasi baliktad dito eh, dito sa Malaysia, dito sa left side yung mga papunta. Sa atin kasi di ba sa right side. Okay guys, nasa next stop na tayo. Dito sa Anong Coffee. Actually, isa sa talagang mismong itinerary sabi ni Kuya noong papunta pa lang. And ayun, tika nyo. The view is giving! Wow! Grabe yung vibe. Para talaga nasa Baguio. Wait, nakailang compare na ako sa Baguio. Habang pupunta dito, sabi kay Kuya na parang Baguio sa atin. Ayan yung view. Tika nyo. Ang lamig guys, malamig. Super. Nahihilo ako papunta dito. Pero hindi, mahilahilan talaga ako. Kayo hindi kayo mahihila dito for sure. Don't get me wrong. Guys, nakikita ko si Papa Jesus. Nakikita niyo siya? Ayun siya yun. Ayun. May mga binibenta sila dito mga products. Tapos, ayan. Wow, parang gusto ko nitong coffee pan. Ayan. Oy, cool. Bestie. HDD. Nice. Tapos ito, meron silang mga ganyan. Mga cookies. So, yeah, matcha.
Matcha? Matcha green tea?
Yeah, matcha green tea cold. And one jumbo dark chocolate walnut cookies. Ayan guys, so ang laki ng cookies nila. Ang laki. Diyos ko Lord. Ayan, so nakaupo na muna ako dito habang iniintay ko order ko. At ngayon papakita ko sa inyo ang super laki. super laking cookie. Oh, tignan nyo. Ang texture niya parang oatmeal cookie. Though hindi siya chewy. Ayun guys, magkaka-picture ako kay Kuya dito. Alright. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa ating next stop. And ayan, pupunta tayo dito sa Rafflesia flower. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, sikat na sikat tong flower na to guys. And actually, meron siyang amoy. Like, amoy na hindi ka nais-nais. So ngayon, let's go. For one. Ayan guys, 30 Malaysian ringgit yung entrance. Papasok dito sa... What? Yeah!
Can I get your YouTube channel?
Sure. Sure. Wow, susubscribe tayo ni ate.
You can write this.
Okay. YouTube channel.
I want to see and subscribe
Yeah, thank you. And you can follow me as well on TikTok. I'm active there.
There's another one there.
Doing trouble
It's a
bangtan.
GFC garden.
Wow. Ayun guys, tingnan nyo. Ayan, pwede nyo i-research to. GFC Garden View. Tara, bumaba tayo. Wow. Actually, parang walang tao pa ngayon or talagang hindi lang peak time.
There's a flower.
Oh, wow.
There's a first. There's a flower, the 1 month. It's a flower, the parasite.
Yeah.
And 2 months. It's a 3 months. It's a 5 months. 7 months. It's a flower, the 10 months. It's a from the 10 months.
Hopefully it can bloom.
1 week later, it's a flower, the first open.
So during 10 months is still closed.
Yes, yes.
Still closed.
Waiting for blooming.
Okay.
It's a take the picture. First day is a day.
Yeah,
The
7
day.
days.
Oh, so this is already dead.
Yes.
Okay. And what?
Rafflesia is very sensitive to sunlight. If they get contact with sunlight, they will turn black. Yeah, that's why you can see they are all
But
shading.
what is the kind of smell?
Smelly.
Smelly?
Something
Really?
rotten. Yes. Actually, the
Nabubulok
smell
daw.
is to attract the blue fly.
Blue fly?
Yes, the blue fly will go inside,
Oh.
and then they will take the seed, and then they will go to the soil.
Okay.
Yes, that's the
So how many Rafflesia you have here?
Sorry.
How many Rafflesia? Rafflesia, right?
flower.
The flower,
A lot.
how many
you
flowers?
You can see the bud later. You can see the bud.
Okay. Here.
Yes.
Okay.
And
There's
Ay,
another
ito
one.
pala.
it's another one, the small bud.
Bud.
Oh.
It's a 2 week.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes, it's a 2 week. Another one, 1 month.
1 month.
It's a 1 month.
Ito.
2 weeks.
Okay.
3 months. In the 5 months. In 7 months.
7.
7
That
months.
one.
Yes.
Ayun guys, 7 months. Ayun. Okay. And this is
Blooming. Second
It's
day.
a flower, the full of blooming.
Wow. Second
You
day.
can see the flies is inside there. Flying. You can
I'll
see
check
the
it.
fly.
I'll check it.
See?
Inside. Oh.
Yes.
So it's what do you call this? Tusok-tusok, spiky. Inside?
Yeah, it's actually the seed is all inside there.
Oh,
And
there's a
later
lot.
if you want to,
Morning.
yes,
7 o'clock.
Yeah.
There's a smell.
they will attract.
It's a flower, the smell.
But now there's no smell.
No.
Okay,
Tuwing
let me
umaga lang pala
comment.
nag-smell.
This is not a flower.
This is not a flower?
This is a fungus.
Fungus?
Yes, it's a parasite.
Okay.
Okay.
You wanna take a photo?
Hey, baba tayo. Sundan natin si Kuya. Saan tayo pumunta? Para lang sa gubat sa atin, sa Pilipinas. Hala. Ooh, there's a lot.
Another one, the flower, the die, 1 week ago.
That's already dead.
Yes, this one.
Oh.
Okay, come.
Okay. Ay, ang lamok. Di ba kamadengke here? That one.
Yes.
Okay, this one.
This one, 10 months.
10 months.
It's another one, the 8 months.
8 months.
Yes.
Ang dami.
One, the 10 months.
Wait.
And anytime, there's a flower to open.
Okay.
Yes. It's a anytime. Time come here.
Philippines. First time Filipino kami?
No.
Me,
and
yeah.
You first time come to Sabah.
Yeah, first time come to Sabah, but I've been to Malaysia 3 to 4 times already. Or 4 times, yeah.
How many days you stay here?
Until the next day.
Oh.
Yes.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, no worries. I'm here because there's not that much Filipinos who go here in Sabah and Kota Kinabalu, and that's why I'm here to promote it. So that I will attract Filipino viewers to go here.
This another one, the bud.
Okay.
And this another one, the root.
Root?
Yes. This this Eliana.
Eliana?
Yes. This a flower, the parasite here.
Parasite.
Yes.
Do you have many guests every day? Not that much.
This a small guy.
Okay. This one. Fish?
Fish.
Okay, I'll check. Uy, wow. Oh. Wow, tilapia. I mean,
yes.
tilapia.
Yes.
But I thought here in Sabah or Malaysia, it's not tilapia. I mean, you have other words or name.
Yes.
In the Philippines, we eat a lot of tilapia. Yeah, and bangus. I don't know if bangus is famous here too.
And in Sabah, in Tilapia, it's cooking, BBQ. This is good.
Tilapia barbecue?
Yes, this is good.
That.
Ikan kali.
Wait, I cannot see. It's blurry. Oh, hito. In Sabah,
Yes.
it is called
Ikan kali.
ikan kale.
Yes.
In the Philippines, it's called hito.
Wow.
Yeah, hito. Guys, we're your tawag doon yung panglamok. Malamok. Every mosquito here.
Of course.
Ayan guys, tignan nyo sa 10 Malaysian ringgit nila, itong Rafflesia. Rafflesia, right? Or Rafflesia? Rafflesia. Okay. So itong flower is, ayan yan, no? Diba? Nakalagay sa mismong paper bill nila. Nakakatuwa naman, nakita na natin in person. Finally, nakita na natin yon. Noong high school ako, meron akong isang kaibigan na mahilig siya sa mga halaman and lagi niya itong pinakikita sa akin. At least ngayon, isasend ko sa kanya to para makita niya kung ano yung feedback. So, ayan, nalagay ko dito yung conversation namin. I-chat ko sa kanya. Thank you! Ay, pwede din pala kayo dito magpakain ng rabbit. 2 Malaysian ringgit. Tapos, kapag ka-fish naman, 2 Malaysian ringgit din. Grabe. So, super gutom ko. Parang feeling ko kaka-crunch na to. Nakakatuwa naman. Buti na lang inavail ko tong tour na to. Ang dami ko natutunan na, ang dami ko nasaksihan at nakita. Kaya if ever kung gusto nyo guys din tong same tour, yung link nasa ibaba. Or kung gusto nyo naman ng direct mismo sa mismong tour operator, ilalagay ko din yung contact number nila sa ibaba. And you guys can contact them. So, what's up? Okay guys, we're here sa next stop, ang Pouring Hot Spring. Ayan, pakikita ko sa inyo. Look, Pouring Hot Spring, Kinabalu Park World Heritage Site. Let's go! Kasama na ang price doon sa tour na inavail ko. How much usually is the entrance here? Usually? Here. As international guys, ayan 18 years old and above, 50 Malaysian ringgit per person. 17 below, 25.
Malaysian?
Wow! 40 Malaysian ringgit off pagka Malaysian ka. So, ang laki ng perks. Let's go! Ayan yung ticket. Ayan, the Board of Trustees of the Sabah Parks, Kinabalu Park. Conservation fee, 50 Malaysian ringgit. Ang ganda Green na green. I love it. Parang okay, sure. Parang to guys, parang medyo mahirap siyang i-DIY, kaya mag-book na lang kayo ng tour. Ayan, sa mga gusto magdala ng drone, bawal ang drone.
The gate counter, check your inspection. And we cross a bridge here.
Okay. It's so big. The canopy.
Yes. This is for people who want to stay overnight here. They're camping around, okay? But now our main purpose is here. Cross here. You walk in here. And then this is the restaurant that we're going to have lunch.
Okay.
And then we walk here, starting off the hot spring.
Okay.
Okay. And then you do your foot bath here. Then we walk up here and then we'll buy a ticket here. And you guys is going to walk up to the canopy walk. The height of the canopy is 150 meters.
Okay.
And you're going to walk zigzag. Actually, they have another small one, but now no more.
Yay! Tingnan nyo ang nature ng vibe! So, naglalakad na ako ngayon. And alam nyo, pagka magpupunta kayo dito, dapat meron kayong dalang sticker repellent. And actually, pinahiram lang ako ng mga Koreans kong friends. Kasi wala akong dala. Welcome to Pouring Hot Spring area! Nice, tignan nyo, may butterfly farm. Wow! Tignan nyo, rainforest to. And I don't know kung gaano pa kalayo ang lalakarin natin, pero pinakita naman sa mapa kanina na malaki ito at malawak. Ayan, dito tayo kakain mamaya. Rainforest Restaurant, Sutera Sanctuary Lodges. Ang maganda dito sa binuko na to, kasama na yung lunch. Hindi na ako mag-iintindi. Kaya lang, as far as I know, nabuko siya ng 3,000 plus. But, knowing na meron siyang hotel pick-up and hotel drop-off, na may lunch, and meron ng pamasahe sa mga kung saan pupunta at entrance, sulit na yun. Ayun open bathtub. Alam nyo kung ano yung amoy dito? Yung amoy na nagpunta ako ng Yangmingshan doon sa Taiwan, na yung amoy niya na parang sulfur siguro yung naamoy ko. Na parang kakaiba yung smell, na hindi siya pleasing to the nose. Hindi naman ako informed na for the lakad pala tong tour na to. Ayan ay wow, dito lang pala. Good.
59 degrees.
The hot spring. It's very hot.
Yes. pH 8.2. Alkaline. 1 liter per second flow rate. 1 liter.
Yes.
Ayan yung canopy walk. Diba? Ayan, mag-start na tayo. Ito yung starting point ng canopy walkway. Buti may kasama ako. Sikat may aso. Guys, yung aso sa kanya nakatutok yung camera ngayon. Nanginginig ako. Mabait naman siguro to. Uy, wag sa akin lumapit. Guys. Pero takot kasi ko So ayan yung Pondok Mangas. Welcome to Pouring Treetop Canopy Walkway. Tara na. It's our time. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Fudge. Ay, pinakabahan ako. Hindi ako titingin muna sa inyo ha. Basta ang mahal na naka-vlog. Ginagawa ko to para sa vlog. Kaya kung nandito pa kayo nanonood sa mga oras na to, oh my God, Jesus Christ. Mag-comment kayo sa baba. Canopy walk. Oh my God, ang taas talaga. Off ko muna. Ayan, ito yung ating pinuntahan. Tapos meron pa na to. Ayan, meron pang isa guys. And actually parang isa pa nga oh, ang dami. Pero maganda naman yung view, kaya lang grabe talaga. Hindi to pwede sa mga may phobia sa height. Grabe, si kuyang kasabay ko, andun na oh. Ayun na siya, yung naka-red. Tignan nyo oh. What's this? Beetle. Si kuya, ang dami energy. Ako yung energy ko, February 6 pa lang, parang naubos na buong February doon sa pagpanik. Wow. Kuya Kim, pasok! I think my energy for the whole month of February is lost already because of that climbing. Ayan, so ngayon, tayo na yung umupo. Ito, may natin yan. Andito. So let's... Ang init. It's hot. Ayan. So this is very perfect because I went upstairs so that my feet will relax.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Ang init guys, like literally. Diba? Magaganito ako. Wait nga, magsuot nga ako ng mic para marinig nyo. Vlogging. Ayan, hello. Ayan, naririnig nyo na ba ako? Magsuot ako ng mic. Oh, if I have injury, it will be healed? Ah, turn great. Blood will be clot. Okay. So, how, it's already 1:15 p.m. How long I will stay here? Okay, I will. Just 5 minutes. Okay, yan. Diba? Sabi ko 5 minutes tayo dito kasi syempre, ano tayo, may mga kasama tayo, hindi naman tayo private dito ngayon. Kaya we need to consider their time as well. Right? 15 minutes. But it's okay. Because I already experienced this one in Taiwan. Like in Beitou Hot Spring, I think. Have you been to Taiwan? Not yet. Taiwan is good. Thailand. Taiwan is one of my favorite countries. In Asia. Yeah. Taiwan, Thailand, Japan. And here in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. But it's very, what do you call this? Overrated. Because, that's the most famous. Sabah, yeah, actually. More nature. And alam nyo guys, itong Sabah, ano siya? Para siyang Palawan sa atin, parang Siargao, parang Bohol, parang ganun siya combined. And meron dito mga papanikan, may mga waterfalls, merong mga hot spring. Sa Palawan, may hot spring din. Ayan, parang meron ganito. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ang wala lang dito, do you have beach here in Sabah? No. I have beach. What's the name of the beach? What? Tanjong? Aro. Oh, may beach din pala sila, di ba? You're just standing there. Maybe you can dip too. Okay. Okay. Hindi ko alam guys kung nasabi ko na kanina, pero magandang way ito. Like, di ba, for example, nag-hike tayo papunta dun sa taas, nag-canopy walk, then pagbaba nyo, mag-hot spring kayo. Para yung sakit ng paa nyo, kahit papano, mawala. Then after kasi nito, dito sa tour na to, may kasamang lunch. So, dun sa tinuro ko sa inyo kanina, dun tayo magla-lunch, di ba? Parang perfect combination siya, perfect rotation para makapagpahinga. Let's go! Lunchtime! Here? It's good here. Yeah. Ayan, so binigyan ako ng aking Korean friends na Starbucks wet wipes. Grabe, they are very social.
I'll come back half an hour.
Okay. Oh, you will eat. You eat with us. Okay.
Yours is special food.
Okay.
Enjoy your lunch.
Yeah.
I'll come back half an hour later.
Thank you.
Message.
Okay.
How many times do you upload?
I upload every other day.
Every other day?
Yeah, on YouTube. But on TikTok, because in the Philippines or even in Korea, like for example, you're a Korean. If you upload a video in the Philippines, the server will be, the video will be distributed to the Filipino viewers. Yeah. That's why I'm not uploading because I'm here in Malaysia and my video is Tagalog. I mean our language. I'm using our language. Right. That's why I will upload on TikTok when I go back home. Yeah. I'm a full-time content creator and travel vlogger.
That's nice.
And actually, Korea is one of my target countries this year, but maybe last quarter. Because in the Philippines, Filipinos are having a hard time to get a visa, tourist visa, in Korea because there are a lot of applicants. Applicants. Like a lot of Filipinos want to go to Korea because they want to see Blackpink, BTS, I mean the culture and the skincare culture there, the K-drama culture, K-pop culture, and etc. The food. That's why it's very difficult. Maybe soon. Yeah.
I hope you visit my country.
Yeah, I will. Okay guys, ito na yung food natin. Ayan, ito chicken. Ito, what's this again? Sorry? Fish. And this is?
I'm not sure.
I don't know guys. Pero parang vegetable siya. Tapos ito, snack daw and rice. So, free to sa tour. Diba? Tapos, ayan, binigyan tayo ng tea. Parang ano lang siya, tubig lang din. So, ngayon, tikman natin. Ito yung parang snack daw nila. Parang normal lang. Pero may aftertaste na lasa, masarap. Parang siyang propek. Tapos ito, tikman natin to. Yung fish. Ayan, tingnan niyo. Diba? May lasa sa loob yung fish. Hindi siya malansa. Sarap siya. Yung chicken na malambot. Diba? Okay. Chicken yung nagustuhan ko. Sarap. Yung timpla niya parang may pagka lemongrass. Ganun yung atake. Good. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, nasa Desa Dairy Farm na tayo. Let's go! Okay, ito yung itsura ng Desa Dairy Farm. Actually, wala pa tayo sa labas, but parang yung vibe niya, parang vibe ng Tagaytay. Where's the entrance? There? Going down? Bababa ulit. Okay, papunta na tayo dun sa mismong entrance, and dito pa lang, naamoy ko na amoy cow poop. Alam nyo, pagpunta ko dito sa Kota Kinabalu, medyo nahirapan ako mag-book. So, pwede nyo din i-check tong agency nila. So, ang pangalan is Borneo Wonders. Nakakatuwa, dito sa Malaysia, like entire Sabah so far sa mga na-experience ko, is talagang i-celebrate nila yung Chinese New Year. Dahil yung pagpunta ko dito is kasagsagan po. I mean, pagpapasok pa lang ata yung Chinese New Year. Hindi ko alam specifically yung dates ng Chinese New Year, but ngayon kasi is February 6. Ayan! Welcome to Desa Dairy Farm. Feeling ko mga milk ang binibenta dyan. For sure, dairy eh. Ayan, natigyan yung mga milk. Chocolate milk, coffee milk, tapos fresh milk, tapos mga ice cream. Wow! Tignan nyo, kaya lang parang hindi ko na kaya kumain ng mga ice cream sa milk muna ngayon. Kasi alam nyo guys, yung aking tiyan nag-aalboruto. Wow, may mga tangke-tangke oh. Planta to, planta. Wow! Look oh, tignan nyo. Hindi ko alam kung ginagatasan sila or whatsoever. Or pinapakain pa lang. Ayun na. Kitang-kita sila. So, what's this? They are milking the cow?
Yes.
Oh.
So the cow is coming. They know where it is.
Okay. Alam nyo, kahit ala ako dun sa mismong labas at kahit merong ganito, amoy na amoy dito yung kanilang mga poops. Ayan guys, yung price. So, if ever, kung gusto nyo, yung price ng milk niya is 6.90 Malaysian ringgit. Pinakamalit naman is 2.20 Malaysian ringgit. Then, ito yung mga yogurt. Ayan. So, yung original 3 ringgit lang. Ayan, di ba? Kaya lang ako, ayoko talaga muna mag-dairy. Pasensya na. If ever kung gusto nyo, itry nyo na lang to pagka nagpunta kayo dito. So ngayon, bumili tayo ng gelato nila. Actually, hindi na sana ako bibili. Excuse me, one natural yogurt? 6 ringgit 50 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dapat din na ako bibili kasi nga kaiinom ko lang ng milk tea. Kaya lang, inisip ko, minsan lang naman tayo magpunta dito saka for experience, di ba? Thank you so much! Tapos, ito. Meron dito isang ipuno ng mga kutsara. Kuha na lang tayo. Then, yan! Yogurt! Natural! So guys, tinikman ko siya. Ang sarap niya. Ay, actually, di ba sa atin merong yaw-yaw? Tapos mayroong BLK. Ano siya, ganun yung lasa niya. But more creamy. More parang alam mo yung milk tea. Ganon. Sarap siya. And nakalimutan ko na yung price nito. Basta ilalagay ko dito sa screen. So yun yung price niya. So guys, ito muna ang cellphone ko yung gagamitin ko. Dahil umuulan. Para hindi masira yung camera ko. And ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa mismong labas na side. At lalapit tayo ngayon sa mga cow. Look! Diba? Woo! Ayan o, tignan nyo. Ito sila. Ang papayat naman nila. Ay, sinasabi niya, Mama! Diba? Oh. Cute! Gutom na gutom sila, oh. And guys, if ever kapag pupunta kayo dito, pwede kayo magpakain. So, ito yung morning feeding time, tapos afternoon feeding time, and ito yung price. Pagka milk yung papa-feed nyo is 1.50 Malaysian ringgit. Pag grass naman, 1 ringgit. Ayun yung milk ko. Ayun yung milk. Tapos ito naman yung grass.
So, coffee? Share by 3%?
Okay. Yan. Ayun guys, sigan nyo.
Ini
Food nila to.
50-an. 50 per kg.
Papakainin kami ni Kuya Eddie ng, what again is this?
Pork.
I mean, what's the exact name? Smoked grilled pork. It's famous here in Sabah. So, how much is this again?
This one is around 14 ringgit. Around 290 grams.
Okay, tikman na natin.
It's okay.
Yan, ganyan nakikita niya. Parang siyang inihaw na baboy. At ang luto daw dito is smoked grilled something. So parang tinapa.
Now, you remember me now?
It's tasty.
Yes, you remember me. That's why I say you guys will remember me.
Sarap. Masarap means yummy.
Yes.
Sarap. In Korea, what does yummy mean?
맛있어.
Masiso.
Yeah.
Masiso.
And in Malay?
Sedap.
Sadap? Ah, we're the same.
Very simple.
Magkamukha.
Masiso.
Sarap. Sarap. Worth it. So, this is 50 Malaysian ringgit per kilo.
Per kg. Yes.
But parang dalawang slice lang yung binili namin na yun na pinakita ko sa inyo. So, parang 14 lang to. 14 Malaysian ringgit.
They use
Boy?
wild boar.
Boy. So, this is white or no?
White pig.
That is white pig.
Because wild boar, 2 years ago,
Normally daw baboy ramon yung ginagamit nila.
so a lot of wild boar getting died and big pig, even the farm pigs also affected. So we have them import.
Beef cut mo na lang yung mga ako silent.
And the local
Okay, magbayad na tayo ngayon. Let's pay this one. Here.
14.
Thank you.
Ikira dulu.
Okay, punta na tayo sa loob ng car. Okay guys, so hindi ko na na-video yung pagpasok ko dito sa hotel at yung paghatid sa akin dito. Pero nakauwi na ako. And so far, okay naman yung experience ko. Nag-enjoy naman ako dito sa trip na to. Kaya if ever kung gusto nyo i-book and kung solo travel kayo, pwede dito mag-solo travel. So yung link ilalagay ko dyan sa ibaba. Day-tour lang siya, but at the same time, talagang parang napakadami mong gagawin during the whole day. And so far, mabait ang tour guide and nag-enjoy talaga ako. So ngayon, tara, bumaba na muna tayo kasi umorder ako sa Grab Food ng Jollibee. And yes, ang iba sa inyo sasabihin, bakit hindi ka kumain ng local food? Bukas pa ako kakain and kumain na po ako nung nakaraan. Nakita niyo naman doon sa previous video. So ngayon, focus na muna tayo sa kung saan ako nag-crave. Nag-crave kasi talaga ako sa manok kasi mahilig po ako sa chicken. So yun, tara, babain na natin. And bago tayo makapanik ulit, is ikutin na muna natin yung paligid ng ating hotel kung ano ba yung makikita dito, kung meron ba dito parang Watsons and whatsoever kasi may nakita ko. So let's go. Okay, so ito na. Umorder ako ng food, diba? So dumating na siya. And actually, mas nauna to kaysa dun sa mag-explore ako dun sa baba kasi sabi ko lang naman sa iyo na mag-explore pa ako, diba? So, okay, kainin na natin to. Ayan guys, so ngayon nanonood ako ng aking YouTube video and tignan nyo. Ayan! So, ito yung Ueno vlog ko. And kasabay dyan is itong pagkain ko ng aking in-order sa Jollibee. And actually, alam nyo, itong in-order ko sa Jollibee, 41.85 Malaysian ringgit yung presyo nito. So, panoorin natin. Kasi alam nyo, ako kapag nasa ibang bansa ako, pinanonood ko talaga yung mismong vlog ko. Kasi, ano siya tawag doon, nakakadagdag siya ng AdSense para meron tayo pang travel tax. Alam niyo yun. So, if ever kapag nanonood kayo sa akin, panoorin niyo sa ibang bansa pagka naglilibot kayo, okay? So, ngayon kumain na tayo. Grabe, parang masyado yung gutom ko ngayon. Umorder ako nitong spaghetti, meron akong isang rice, 2-piece chicken, fries. Tapos, ang famous pagka nandito kayo sa Malaysia, ang Milo! Wow! Tignan natin kung ganun nga ilasa. Tikman na nga muna natin para ma-review ko na agad sa inyo bago ko ito maubos. Ito, nakikita nila. Ano ba? Same lang ng lasa.